Got the Vermont clothes dryer going today. Got a week's worth of laundry. Blowing in the breeze, baking in the sun. I just went out and touched it. Hung it about a half hour ago, and it's almost completely dry at this point. And all those clothes are going to be soft and fresh smelling and perfect. This is my first dry the laundry outside rather than hanging in the loft of the cabin. And it's one of my favorite transitions during the move into summer, is getting the laundry outside. Vermont continues to be stunningly gorgeous. I live in the prettiest place on earth, and I am so happy to be here.